Unong yalam kaliang persha hapo gayeng dorbar thawain u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulayathu baka All India Congress Committee lane ka AICC kalakhot u banwan shanongba Delhi ha kalai tarik risau khnang banyakran halor kajing kabadon hapo ka Party Congress ha kajalla Meghalaya. Habayakran bat kilat pathai khubor kasngi thoding u Dr. Mukul uloong bahakalai terik risau ula banle chakanong ba Delhi hakaba on persang banyapunbej ya ki kenrum kenram ki badon haka party bat ki he jongka AICC uloong ru ban punbej ki jing don kamru ika jing yasha hakaba ula punpau ika jing kermen babaro ki don ki kendon ki bala banweng ya ki jing bat kinlong ru ki bala ban punbej bat ladala ban punbej ikini baro kin kutno tang hapo kaseng. Menteri rangba barim jong ka jelau Dr. Mukul Sangma ula keno ru baka jingmi jong UMDC ka Kongres uba deiru unong yalam na kaliang persha haka District Council uba lamprang bla na kaseng Kongres kadei na kadaw badon ki kendrum kendram hapo kaseng. Dakaba uloong ru haka jing shisha don katu katni kinong ilam barangba kilapan kelas sok pedung badlaw iru ba kinong ilam ki bala haban mi no na kaseng kini kilong kidak kisien ki barit ki bapau sabar haka jing shisha ikini deiban penbej haka por kababiang swaban wan ke election u Dr. Mukul uloong ru bakaladon kajing persang na kiwei pat kiseng ban kring yaki MLA jong kaseng Kongres ula benrap ru da kabaong bakum kinong yalam de ban light na kajing don ya kajing artatin kani kajing ong bakidon khalai ngut ki MLA kani ka khubor latho nadu kisnam arjar khatpra hanrei ha kajing shisha kalong ka ba ki la banyada na kajing shatan ki MLA jong kaseng ha ki wei pat kiseng.
This is what ultimately is usual dynamics of politics when issues are not resolved on time. Things are resolved on time. We have to be abundantly clear that we want the issues to be resolved. There is no, kids club that is going to work. I am only drawn to the attention of what has been carried by media, and some of them have called me also. I have responded to a few of them. We have always said that there are certain issues which require to be resolved. In other words, certain allergens which need to be addressed and resolved within the party. But you have to also understand our approach of doing things when it comes to resolving issues pertaining to internal matters of the party is concerned. Obviously, nothing can be always within the four walls. That's why I think some news is coming. The fact is that when we have the intent to resolve and there is a solution, that will automatically give you an idea that okay, the things have been resolved. We are waiting for the things to be resolved in as far as the issues are concerned, and I have had the privilege to go to Delhi. Subsequently, I have returned, and they have indicated that okay, I will have to sit again. And today, I have also received the indication as to when the sitting can be likely, and therefore tomorrow we have the Pradesh Election Committee meeting. As you are aware, there are 3 by-elections. The unfortunate vacancy which arose because of the demise of our friends. 2 of the constituencies were represented by all members of CLP, our member who was elected from Morang Penang and Rajabana. So tomorrow after this, Sunday is the likely day when I should travel. We will try to resolve it. I have always maintained that I should not be a victim of pessimism. Okay, but challenges are there always. Resolving issues require certain amount of patience. I hope all those factors which require to ultimately arriving at finding a resolution or solution becomes possible. then it will end within the four walls of the party. And even after a good solution is there, also you will be in a position to know and share the good news. Do require patient hearing to all our concerns. I have to listen to my MLAs. What are their concerns? What are their apprehensions? It is not my personal problem. Okay, let us be very clear. So when we are talking about internal problems, that means the problem revolves around the people in the party, the rank and file in the party. Okay, if you follow properly in every respective districts and what is happening, what is the apprehension, then you will probably be able to understand them. But then it is not appropriate for me to actually, since we have maintained that internal differences, whatever the cases may be, the best way to resolve them is within the four walls, and then we will try our best. And since there is a various mechanism how the leadership is reaching out, I think we have reasons to be free from and not to be the victim of pessimism. That is what I say.
So earlier you also mentioned
Speculation, you have carried this news long ago also, earlier also. 2018, 2019, 2020, it goes on. Though the stories are, formatted in a different style. But then I believe you have been seeing many of our friends from media carrying these stories. The number 13, I think that story has always been doing the rounds. But the fact is that we have been able to insulate our team from at least that kind of poaching which was resorted to, which is continuous, which can probably continue until we face the 2023 election. Now you are seeing a sudden shifting of somebody from the party when the elections are notified. You are seeing that. So until elections are faced and until we really fight the next election, we won't know what are those ultimate fallout of anything that we don't resolve during as we prepare for the 2023 elections. You have seen that one of our senior most member of the district council, KHDC, has left the party, become a candidate of other political party. So we didn't expect this to happen, isn't it? But there was reasons for that, and that's why you see what is happening. Therefore, it is incumbent upon us to see that, okay, when we want to strengthen the party, we don't end up with this too many surprises as we come closer and closer to election. You have seen also in 2018 how many friends who indicated that they'll be with us ultimately ditched us, left us, and they also became a victim of their own betrayal. In fact, some of them are already a victim of those grievances. You have seen one of our senior members leaving the party and becoming a candidate of NPP. So these are indications. These are just the tip of iceberg. Therefore, we want to resolve them at the appropriate time, meaning well ahead of the election. We can't allow these kind of internal problems which are there, which we would like to resolve within the four walls. That's why I'm not sharing with you. If you would be asking what are those problems, you will not get anything from me. So this is how we are moving. See, I have always said that there has been attempts to influence our MLAs by many political parties. We are trying to insulate our MLAs. We have been successfully capable of doing that. Unlike other states where members from various political parties have become victim of poaching. Here also, unfortunately, yes, there was, but then after that, we have been able to insulate our colleagues in the CLP. And I think that is something which has been considered as the most difficult job for us.